Welcome to a fascinating journey through the most mysterious territory on the planet. Today, we'll unravel one of the biggest enigmas in world geopolitics. Why does the largest island in the world, covered in ice and located in North America, belong to a small European country? Get ready for a story filled with surprising discoveries about Greenland and its intriguing connection to Denmark. Did you know that this video could completely change how you understand why Greenland belongs to Denmark? Stay until the end, because I'm going to reveal a surprising fact that most people have never noticed. It's something that might really make you rethink everything you know. Don't miss out. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more revealing and intriguing videos. Imagine a land where the sun never sets during summer and never rises during winter. A place where vast expanses of ice hide ancient secrets and where history intertwines with Viking legends. This is Greenland, a territory 50 times larger than Denmark, but with a population smaller than many small cities. Surprising, isn't it? But let's travel back in time to understand how it all began. In the 10th century, the Vikings, led by the legendary Eric the Red, were the first Europeans to establish colonies in Greenland. He called it Greenland. Quite ironic for a place covered by 85% ice, don't you think? But there was a reason. He wanted to attract more settlers to the region. We could say this was one of history's first cases of real estate marketing. Here comes something that will surprise you. For centuries, Greenland was practically forgotten by Europe. The Viking colonies mysteriously disappeared, leaving only ruins and unanswered questions. It wasn't until the 18th century that Denmark effectively reassumed control of the island, establishing colonies and initiating a colonization process that would forever change the destiny of this frozen territory. Now let's talk about numbers that will impress you. Greenland has a population of only 56,000 inhabitants, spread across an area of 2,166,086 square kilometers. This means that each inhabitant would theoretically have a space the size of 38 football fields. But don't be fooled. 88% of this population consists of Inuit, the native peoples who have inhabited the region for millennia. And here comes a surprising revelation. Despite belonging to Denmark, Greenland has had special autonomous status since 2009. They have their own parliament, control their natural resources, and even have the right to decide about their independence. But why haven't they become independent yet? The answer involves a complex web of economic and political relationships. Denmark provides Greenland with an annual subsidy of approximately 3.4 billion Danish kroner, about $500 million. This money represents about 1/3 of Greenland's GDP. But here's something few people know. Beneath Greenland's ice, there are vast deposits of rare and precious minerals, including uranium and rare earth elements, essential for modern technology. Some experts estimate these reserves could be worth trillions of dollars. But wait, because now comes the most intriguing part of this story. With global warming, Greenland's ice is melting at an alarming rate. This is revealing not only new mineral resources, but also opening maritime routes that could revolutionize global trade. Greenland is literally transforming into one of the most strategically important places on the planet. And here's the most surprising curiosity I promised. During World War II, Greenland was temporarily controlled by the United States, which established military bases on the island to protect the North Atlantic. To this day, the US maintains its largest military base outside its territory in Greenland, Thule Air Base. This shows how this Danish island has much greater global importance than most people imagine. But there's more. Greenland is one of the few places in the world where you can actually walk on ice that's more than 100,000 years old. Scientists use samples of this ice to study climate changes throughout Earth's history. It's like a frozen time machine. And did you know that the capital, Nuuk, with its 18,000 inhabitants, is the smallest administrative capital of any country or autonomous territory in the world. Despite its size, it's a modern city with a university, museums, and even a climate-controlled shopping mall, something essential when temperatures can drop to -50 degrees Celsius. As the world changes, Greenland's importance only increases. Its strategic location between North America and Europe, its unexplored natural resources, and its crucial role in climate change research make it a unique and increasingly valuable territory. And so we reach the end of this incredible journey through Greenland's history and mysteries. As we've seen, the answer to why does Greenland belong to Denmark is much more complex and fascinating than we could imagine. It's a story of exploration, survival, politics, and above all, how the destiny of a giant territory can be linked to such a small country across the ocean. If you were impressed by these revelations about Greenland, don't forget to leave your like, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. We have many more fascinating stories and surprising discoveries to share with you. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, where we'll continue unraveling the most intriguing mysteries of our planet. See you next time.